Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce the Pristar Monocular for adults. Of course kids can play with that too, but it is a really big thing here because it comes with it, or it is, a 10 up to 32 50 high power telescope monocular with smartphone holder and tripod, FMC lens, and BAK4 Prism. It's a handheld monocular for not only adults, for kids too. It is really nice for bird watching, for wildlife, for camping and hiking. 10 up to 30 x 50 monocular for adults with high zoom, magnification, and 50mm large comfortable objective lens. Provides clearly and brighter scene. This monocular has large field of view, 318 feet, 1000 yards. Perfect for bird watching, hunting, hiking, wildlife, ball games, camping, concert, watching sceneries, what you like, or for what you will need such thing for, to look a far away thing close to you. Grab it with that. IPX3 waterproof, anti-fog, dust-proof, shock-proof monoculars. The sturdy frame design is effectively against slip and thread. It provides exceptional performance in any weather and any environment. This is an ideal gift for outdoor enthusiasts. It cannot be used in heavy rain for a long time or soaked in water, so you do not go diving with it, okay? This telescope monocular uses the BAK4 Prism and an FMC multi-coated lens to improve the color reproduction and sharpness. Guaranteed superior light transmission and brightness. The monocular has low light night vision function, help us see things in low light. Can't see things in complete darkness, okay? But in low light you will see it better. Pristar compact monocular weighs only 400 grams roundabout. We can easily hold it with only one hand. Equipped with a smartphone holder and a unique upgraded stable tripod. It's compatible with the most smartphones on the market. Wow, that's awesome. On the front side, we have an objective lens. Then we have a 1/4 or a 1/4 inch socket. So you can mount it on a bigger tripod, for example, if you like it bigger. Because the 1/4 inch socket is a standard all over the market. We have a zoom adjusting ring to zoom from 10 times up to 30 times. We have a twist up eye cup and an eyepiece and a focusing wheel on the upper side of it. We explore the world with Prism Monocular. We observe the world closer. We capture beauty and share our love. The Prism 10 up to 30 to 50 high power Prism monocular equipped with an FMC fully multi-coated green film lens and a clear BAK4 prism. That means 30 times high power, lightweight and portable size, is good for any outdoor enthusiasts. Perfect for sports, games, sightseeing, hiking, climbing, hunting, bird watching, watching wildlife and sceneries and other outdoor activities. It brings us more fun and provides high resolution image with accurate color reproduction. The smartphone adapter allows us to capture and record beauty, movies or pictures around us. It enables us to observe target and distance world with more detail, inspire adults and children to explore the world. We twist up the eye cup Easily. First of all, we tune the twist up and the eye cap up. It is no necessary for glasses wearer to twist up the eye cap. If we like to focus, we're rotating the focus wheel to get the sharp image after we focused it. And we have a 1/4 inch socket. This can be used by reconnected tripods out there, or the tripod which is included, of course. Then we have the zoom adjusting ring, only for zoom monoscope. The rotating zoom adjuster ring to change the power of zooming. Viewing the sun can cause permanent eye damage, okay? Do not view the sun with this product or even with the naked eye. That's not a good idea. Then, when wiping the lenses, we use the lens cloth that comes with the monocular, or a soft, lintless cloth, to remove any remaining dirt or smudge with the cloth by applying 1 or 2 drops of isopropyl alcohol to the cloth. We store our monocular in moisture-free areas. Never attempt to clean or repair your monocular intimately or take it apart, because they're inside our lenses and that can be broken and maybe you will hurt because of it. It's waterproof and shockproof, especially designed for any outdoor activities, compact and sturdy body without heavy reserve weather. It is no prop for it. Waterproof and anti-fogging. But do not use it underwater. And lightweight and portable. It even fits in a pocket. The weight and the size of the monocular scope allows us to take it anywhere. We can put it in our pocket when cycling. And it is also an ideal gift due to its great functionality and looks. And a stable phone holder. It comes with an upgraded tripod, more stable in use. We don't need to buy an additional accessory. We connected our handy monocular directly to the tripod. Yeah, job's done. This is cool because it makes wonderful zoom action, as you can see in that video here. This is the Pristar Monocular for adults. 10 up to 30 times zoom and 50. High Power Telescope Monocular with smartphone holder and tripod. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.